Hello everyone. Let's turn the regular milk, bread and sugar into yummy creamy caramel bread pudding. This recipe doesn't require gelatin, agar-agar, eggs or even oven. Start by preparing caramel. Take 1/4 cup sugar. Let the sugar melt on low heat. Keep stirring and cook until the melted sugar turns into amber color. Quickly pour into the cake tin or any heatproof vessel that you are using. Swirl the tin to spread the caramel evenly and let it cool. Now take 3 bread slices. Chop them roughly. Transfer into a blender jar. Blend until you get fine breadcrumbs. Keep the breadcrumbs aside for now. Let's prepare the custard. Take 2 cups of full cream milk. Add half a cup sugar. You can use condensed milk instead of sugar. Cook while stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Take 3 tablespoons vanilla flavored custard powder in a separate bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Add the prepared custard mixture to the milk carefully. Stir quickly to avoid lumps. Keep the heat low throughout the cooking process or the custard might burn. Custard thickens within few minutes. Add the breadcrumbs gradually and mix. Try to do this process quickly as the custard will start to thicken even more once the breadcrumbs are added. Now pour the custard mixture immediately over the cooled caramel. Even out with the back of the spoon. Cover with a foil paper nicely. For steaming this custard bread pudding, place a stand in kadhai. Add water at the base. Place the tin and cover with the lid. Steam for about 25 to 30 minutes. Take off the lid. Remove the tin carefully as it's very hot. Let it cool down to room temperature and then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Take off the paper after 4 hours. Pudding doesn't stick to the fingers, so it's perfectly set. Flip it carefully. This caramel pudding turns out smooth, creamy, yummy. I keep making this all the time. Make sure to try it and share your feedback in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.